Hello friends, I am back on my YouTube channel. This time I have decided to speak to you on a very interesting topic where a lot of ambiguity is there and people are not aware how to go about it. We all know that our life is disturbed at this point of time due to the coronavirus disease called as COVID-19. Today I am going to talk about how to resume our business offices after the impact of COVID-19 when government has provided us a relaxation. We all know that Ministry of Home Affairs has issued a lot of order from time to time permitting the services which are allowed to be opened and the manufacturing units which can operate during the period of lockdown. The orders has come from various point of time right from 24th of March 2020, 25th March, 26th, 27 and so on, and the recent order which has come on 15th April which has further relaxed the industries which can operate from 20th of April subject to the compliance of lot of various government formalities. So I am going to discuss that if your office is following or your industry is following within one of the permitted entity, then how you can apply. Please note that just by the name of your industry is mentioning on the list doesn't mean that you will get a permission automatic. All the permissions are subject to the discretion of the state government authorities and the other authorities who has been delegated the powers to review the application and then decide whether to grant permission or not. Further, the grant of permission to your office or to the industry will also depend upon whether the particular area where your office is located or the factory is situated, whether that particular area is following in the red zone area or is a green zone area, or it's a hot spot but very limited number of cases. So it is the discretionary power of the authorities inspector who is reviewing your application whether to allow the permission to open your office or not and subject to what conditions. So in this video I am going to discuss the procedure as well as the conditions which one has to comply with when he has decided to open the office. Please note that you have to be very careful when you are providing information to the authority, because if you are providing wrong information, the authority reserve the right to take appropriate disciplinary action, in which may include the imprisonment also as well as fine. So please be careful when you are applying for the application. Fill the application form carefully, provide all the information to the authority truthfully so they can decide whether to allow you or not to allow you the permission. So friends, what are the key compliances to be ensured before office opening? The permission to open office or establishment is to be taken from the authority as provided by the state government, and movement passes for employees are to be arranged. Make sure that organization sanitization is done and premise is disinfected before opening. All the area in the office premises should be disinfected, including entry gate, lobby, cafeteria, canteen, lift, toilet, wall, other surfaces, etc. Make sure thermal temperature scanner is available in the office premises before its opening. Ensure all employees who are coming offices as permitted has downloaded the Arogya Setu app on mobile. It is highly recommended by the government. Make sure soap and hand sanitizers are in sufficient stock before office opening. So now we have got the permission for opening of office. What are the compliances to be ensured when we are opening our office? Make sure that all employees have downloaded the Arogya Setu app. Proper communication to all employees on COVID related instruction has to go. Appropriate notice should be displayed on the notice board. Employees should be encouraged to prefer stairs over lift. Employees who are coming by two-wheeler can only travel singly, and if they are coming by car, only two persons can travel. In case company bus, cab, transport facility is being provided, then it has to be make sure that not more than the permitted percentage of passengers are traveling. In office premises, the hospital and clinic who are authorized to operate COVID-19 should be displayed. Check temperature of all employees at least twice in a day. Ensure sanitizers and soaps are in place. In case your office or factory is working in shift, 1 hour gap should be there in the shift working. Lunch timing of the employee should be staggered and no lunch sharing to be done. Wearing of mask in the office and wearing hand gloves should be made mandatory. All employees must maintain social distancing between themselves of at least 2 meters. No official meeting should be done unless and until it is very important and unavoidable. Employees should not go outside the office premises during office timings. Now, friends, we'll talk about the key information which is required by the state government for office opening or before they give permission to open the office. This information may vary from state to state. So you have to check your state government website for more details. Generally, the information required by the state government is organization name, address, type and registration certificate details, category of service oblique manufacturing unit, authorized person details, reason for applying for permission for operation, vehicle details, that is the company vehicles, employee vehicles, type of vehicle, whether it is two-wheeler, four-wheeler, and the registration number of the vehicles, operation start and operation end date, total number of employees working in that location, number of employees for which permission is required, etc. Please note that this information may vary from state to state. So you are requested to please visit the state government website for complete details. Now let's discuss the key information which are required by the government authorities for providing movement or curfew pass. Again, this information may also vary from state to state. So for detail, you are requested to please visit the government website. The information generally required is the individual name, organization name, address and the purpose for which pass is required, the mobile number and email ID of the individual, Aadhaar number, vehicle number and type of vehicle, validity period, ID proof, photo in JPEG format, authority letter from the company if the pass is required to attend office, and medical report or any other documents when the pass is required for personal movement for personal reasons. Friends, I believe the information provided will be helpful to you. Further, I would like to tell you friends that there is a lot of confusion or wrong statement going in the market that if your office is open and there is any case found of corona, then your CEO will be arrested and the office premises will be closed down. Let me tell you friend, Ministry of Home Affairs has issued a clarification on this that there is no such penalty which is provided by the Ministry of Home Affairs in their any order. So on case to case basis, the local state government authorities will decide the action to be taken. But yes, if in any office any corona patient is detected, then it is advisable that the person should go on leave immediately and all the employees has to follow the instructions of the state government which they are issuing in such cases. I hope this video will be very helpful to you. Friends, I need your support. So if you like the video, I will request you to please subscribe my channel and share your feedback on me. I will definitely try to improve you. Further, in the coming slide, I am sharing with you my contact details. If you want any further clarification in today's video subject, please feel free to write to me or my. For any further details, friends, you may write to us with your contact details and we will get back to you. Our email IDs are hpschugh numeric 7 numeric 5 @gmail.com. Second email ID is kumarsaurabh 7 numeric 3 numeric @gmail.com. Thank you.